Hi, friends. Good morning and happy Tuesday. I wanted to start by thanking you so much for engaging in our first day of distance learning. I know that this isn't easy for any of us, and we're learning it together. So I appreciate your ability to be flexible and curious and continue to reach out with any questions you may have. Today, you'll see this slide again. You'll see this every day with the day of the week and then your to-do list. So as we get going with this, hopefully you'll get in the routine of checking Seesaw to take our daily attendance and then begin and complete your Tuesday learning slides for today. Today's question is, what is your favorite healthy snack? And I was thinking about this. It's a snack I've had a lot over these few weeks that I've been home, usually having to share it with my kids because they love it too. But I love apples with peanut butter and a little sprinkle of cinnamon. That's one of the healthy snacks that I usually reach for. So I'm looking forward to hearing your healthy snacks. Maybe I'll get some good ideas of some new things to try. So let's go ahead and read our message together. Well, that's what I always say. Let's read it together. So hopefully you can read along with this when you're listening to the slide. Today is Tuesday, March 31st, 2020. Good morning, fifth graders. Welcome back to day 2 of distance learning. How do you think it went yesterday? It will definitely take some getting used to, but I know you are all up for the challenge. Today, you will access the Tuesday Learning slideshow through Seesaw and complete your learning. I will be taking time today to go through comments, questions, and posts to see how everyone is doing. Remember to have a growth mindset when doing something new. Work hard and stay curious. Love, Mrs. Ryan. Have a terrific Tuesday, and I'll see you all later.